I don't have money. I don't know what to do. I don't know where to start. Are these the questions running on your mind? Then this is the website that you have to visit. Today we are going to discuss about a platform called Great Learning. In this platform, you're going to find 1000 plus free courses. In this digital era, you don't need multiple degrees to get a good job. You need to have the right skill which is right for you to get a good living. Now let's take a look at this website. Now let's see what this website does. Type Great Learning in the search box and click OK. You will find a link which says Great Learning Online Courses. Click on it and you will land to this website where you will find a lot of information, including in partnership with world-class universities such as Texas, IIT Madras, Roorkee, etc. If you scroll down, you will find 30 plus professional programs which are paid. You might select and choose one of it which might suit you. Now in this video, I am going to show you the free courses which are available on this platform. Let's scroll down. You will find Explore Free Courses option. Click on it and you will be landing to a page where it will show all the free courses available. Let's see. Now you can see all the free courses which are available, which include Java programming, cloud foundations, front-end development. Now if you click on see all, you will be able to see all of it which is available for free. You can see human resource management, supply chain management, artificial intelligence projects and many more. There is one thing that you have to do before enrolling to this. You will have to log in using your email ID like I've already done here. You just have to select one of the options or one of the course which is available in this website and click on enroll now in order to enroll for it. Now let's click one of the options. Let's see, this option or the course has 11.5 hours of class. You can see the cost of this course is completely free. Now all you have to do is click on enroll now and start taking the course. Now you can easily visit this website and check all the courses by yourself and share your valuable feedback. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button. I'll be back with great stuff next week. Till then, take care. Bye.